My fried yam recipe has over 100,000 views on TikTok. Yes, if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you give me a follow on there as well. Now, this recipe is an award-winning recipe, okay? And I love to make this, especially when we're having guests or visitors over. It's a win-win every single time, and you just can't go wrong. It's a very simple recipe, and it's absolutely delicious. Now, I usually like to pair my fried yam with some grilled tilapia and my green chili sauce, which both recipes will be coming out very soon. Now, if you're impatient and you can't wait, I have both recipes already on my TikTok page already. So make sure you follow me on TikTok and subscribe over here as well. You guys asked me to come on YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm doing for you guys. So make sure you give me a follow and you subscribe as well. Okay, so try it and let me know what you think of it. See you in my next recipe.